Excuse me. Oh, Friday the 13th. I was like, what is a fucking game? And I've been having like a really fucking... There we go. Really hard... Overtime. Man, if like... Excuse me. If he wasn't super honest with me. Mark it. Is there anybody else in this game? Because I feel... Oh, I remember this game.
Hey, come on. There's a helicopter. Shut down.
I don't think he's internet to install.
So...
It's just oh no, no, it is his internet to install. I forgot. It's on the disc. Oh, I didn't even burp once.
Oh, that was weak. My foot hurts. Why does my foot hurt? Oh, that one sucked. Alright, we'll just play 80s songs.
Nice.
Thanks. But
They look good. I like them. You gotta cool it.
excuse me.
Facts. You know how to make crack with the candle?
Like, excuse me. Little island. Excuse me. Excuse me. To it, and I'm highly upset that. Excuse me. Raffle. Excuse me, my goodness. But I'm gonna do a real stream tomorrow, guys, so please don't hate me. Please don't unfollow me. Don't hate me, guys. I promise you tomorrow I will do a really good stream. I'm sorry.
Shut down.
Woo! I'm sorry. There it is. These thoughts and I have all these plans, but excuse me. I love my hair. Thank you.
Okay. I like the smoke.
Yeah. Just shoot off things. Excuse me.
Having a burp off. Nah, don't make yourself throw up. That's nasty. Stop.
He's being healed. Take my place, James. Because that's like... Hold on, headphone warning. Excuse me. I hate you. My like living situation changed again, like for the third time. It's a mess in here. Can you stop showing
vodka. We got some brandy. We got some fucking whiskey.
My victory. Victory. Oh my god.
Excuse me. Other than Sarah Lee Hall, she dropped a DM. Nothing creepy. Okay. But if I fit, that's all that matters, right? That'll be my new dance whenever people follow. You guys accept. Oh, that would have been a great one to show him. Damn it! Whoa. Headphone warning. Headphone warning. Whew. That was great.
Right now to discuss your options or visit us at pregnancyhotline.org.
I don't know if you guys ever. Are you sure you don't burn one command? I remember you can. That's the best I can do. I don't care if I look like a nerd, so. I am Hispanic. Excuse me. Yeah. Headphone warning. That was a terrible one. No, strawberry. Excuse me. Oh yeah. Excuse me.
Maybe.
Let's do random duos. That's what I have to say to that. Oh, that sounded like a nasty burp. Headphone warning. Whoa. Yeah, which is an anime. Excuse me.